Hi everyone, Deb here. Exciting news! I got my last paper pad from Amazon that was supposed to arrive on the 21st yesterday, the 17th of January. So yay! And that was even though we had a snowstorm. Yeah. Anyway, this seller sent it again directly to me. This is the one I think I had to pay extra shipping. I can't remember. It came from Wisconsin, from a shop called Lighthouse Books and Gifts. Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin. So, yeah. And this is it. It's a Hunkydory paper pad, picture perfect, adorable animals, 48 fun-filled double-sided pages, 12 different page layouts, and 4 of each, over 560 elements. So I'm going to show it to you. Look. Oh my gosh. All these animals are so cute. So there's 4 pages of this one with the little duck and giraffe and mule, and I think that's like a wild boar, right? I don't know. And llama, maybe? No. Yes? I don't know. Hedgehog, I think, and a squirrel. And then we have, and there's heart paw prints on the back. That's so cute. It is a sort of a glossy finished paper, and I knew that when I bought it, but we'll work with it. It's not real thick, and I also think that's okay because for card making especially, and even other projects like ATCs and stuff, you don't necessarily always want a lot of bulk, right? And you can add it in other ways. Little sheep, that'll be cute for Easter time, right? Little Bambi deer, I love the little deer. I love deer, and we have them in the backyard a lot. A fox, we also have them. A skunk, a goat, which, hey, I'm a Capricorn, that's right up my alley. Zebra, mouse, I could do without. Little, I guess, hamster? Mm, yeah, I think hamster. Owl and a donkey. So cute. I think it's a donkey or a miniature horse. I'm not sure. Okay, and the back is like a wood grain on a slant. And then adorable puppy with little ball. Is that a porcupine or a hedgehog? I'm not sure. With the mushrooms. This pretty little lion, baby lion, and I'm assuming that's the same skunk, right? Is that yeah, it's the same picture actually, just bigger. And there's little paw prints going around the frames with the hearts. They're cute. And this is also kind of a gray and black wood grain. And then we have some in wreaths. We've got a giraffe and I think that's a donkey. The owl and another owl. I think that's an owl. It has the beak like an owl. Correct me if I'm wrong. And another owl on various backgrounds. And then the back is very pretty yellow gingham kind of color. And then we've got another zebra. These are in squares now with a different background. The raccoon. It looks like a hamster to me. What is that? Could be a groundhog. I don't know. A Bambi deer. They're not all Bambis, I know, but that was one of my favorite Disney movies as a kid. That one and Lady and the Tramp when I was young. I had some others too, but except that they always have sad parts, right? Mm. Anyway, cute little zebra. Now we have a fish, like a goldfish, or I don't think that's a koi. Could be. The little donkey. Is this a ferret? I don't think it's a ferret. I'm not sure. And then oh, that's a rhinoceros. I got that wrong in the beginning, I think. Let me see. Did I say that wrong in the beginning? Yeah, that's a rhinoceros. I didn't see the horn. Sorry about that. Anyway, tell me if you know what this is. Am I right or wrong? Oh, and I forgot to show you the background on the back of the other one is this blue leafy. And that's nice because you get 4 of each, and if you don't want to use all the pictures, you can use a combination of the backs and the pictures, right? This will last me a long time because there's, so many images. And look at the kitty in the heart. Yes, I'm a kitty person. I don't have any right now. I lost my Callie cat last February 1st, and almost a year now. Wow. I guess it's about time I go get another kitty. I just don't know. I don't know if I'm ready, honestly. Koala bear, mm, whatever that is. Squirrel? Hamster? I'm not sure. No, this is a squirrel. I think that's a hamster. And the black kitty, black and gray. So cute. And now we have some with flowers, the bunny with flowers, the fox with flowers and leaves, the bull, baby bull maybe, because it's got horns, and the elephant. Love elephants too. Oh, and the other one, the last one, had this green, uh, I don't know, sort of wallpapery look to it. Cute. Now we have some in frames, wood frames. A piggy, a little baby bear, a mousey, and a tiger. I like tigers. I like cats. And then we have small frames, all of them. And that one was like polka dot, almost looks like countertop, doesn't it? Like an old, it's polka dots or something though, in browns. So you can see what the images are, hopefully. Yep, except for the glare. There we go. So there's four of those, and the back of that is a yellow and darker yellow tone on tone floral. And then these are all cut aparts, I think, yes. So we have 4 sheets of this one, and you have to fussy cut them. They are not perforated. That's the only thing I don't like because, yeah, I don't like to fussy cut. But some of these are pretty easy. Most of them actually are pretty easy. Sometimes the smaller things like the glasses and this banner will be kind of an issue for me, but otherwise it doesn't look too hard to cut. And there's 4 sheets of those with just green on the back. And then you have sentiments, strips and things. Your possum, my special friend, lots of love, birthday wishes for a special little someone, hugs and kisses, best wishes, happy birthday, hello beautiful, to from, I'm sorry, so cute, get well soon, in a teardrop, that's cute. You're in my thoughts. How many or many happy returns. Thank you, congratulations, all my love, handmade with love, and time to celebrate. And the back of it is a neutral brown, sort of watercolory or leather kind of looking. And that's it. So, yeah, that was my last one. I didn't have paper like this. Now, I will tell you, I found something sitting on my floor when I was straightening up that I bought at least a year ago, and I'm not going to share it with you because I'm going to use it for my next flowers and critters. So you'll see it in that, which will be is it the second Wednesday? Second Wednesday of February, and that will be the 11th. So come back on the 11th of February for flowers and critters, and you'll see what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to save this for a future flowers and critters probably, and other things too. I can use it for collage and stuff too when I need animals or certain animals or something because I don't have too many animals. Yeah, so I was happy to get that. And I saw this on somebody's channel and I cannot remember who it was. It was not a regular person I watch. Another one of those that popped up in my feed and I had to have it kind of thing. So, yeah. Does that happen to you? Let me know in the comments. And do you like this? And do you like the shiny paper, or do you prefer it to be dull, or you don't care? Let me know that too. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there if you're having icky weather. The snow is really pretty. The wintry mix and ice stuff I could really do without, but we'll get by. We've had a couple treacherous drives already this year, and we were supposed to get less than half an inch of anything yesterday and that same amount today. And we got about 3 yesterday and at least another 1 plus some wintry mix today, and it could still be coming down. They said till 6 o'clock off and on, so I'm not going back out again today until I know it's done. I might wait and go out tomorrow morning. All right, guys, take care. Hugs, love, and peace.